back at it again?
Yeah, man. Yo, download this app called Zelly. We're gonna be on walkie-talkies. Oh shit.
All right. See, that's how crazy it is. This is really state eating chicken nuggets, bro. I can't make this up. This is the New York squad. We got states like Maryland, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, North Carolina, all pulling up. It's gonna be freaking insane. Oh my gosh. Dudes on the bikes are wondering what the hell is going on right now. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get a Dodge Charger after this. Yo, can I ask you guys a question real quick? What car do you want to get in the future?
Probably Skyline.
Alright, keep going. You're not allowed to be here. What? You said you want a Hellcat? You see this kid? That's what I'm talking about. People are getting crazy already. We didn't even get anywhere. We didn't even get anywhere. People are getting crazy. Like what? Yo, you wanna tell the audience how is this thing so loud? What'd you do?
I did nothing.
You did nothing? The stock, right? Completely.
A hole in the muffler. That's what it is.
Hole in the muffler, little tiny hole. All right.
V12 in it.
V12. All right. I believe it.
It's an app on your phone called Zello. I need whoever's driving, download this app, please. We all gonna be walkie-talking each other. Tell you, send you a location. I can bleep you, tell you where the cops is at, and then when we out there, we all can come back. We're trying to make sure everybody come back together. If anybody get lost, then you can hit us up where we at. We can tell you. Or if you get caught, locked up by police, you know, too bad. You know, I'm sorry.
It's time to roll out now. Pretty much, that's the group over there. We're getting the channel ready for the like walkie-talkie kind of. It's on an app. So yeah, we're gonna take the Verrazano Bridge down there. Philadelphia, we are coming. I'm pretty sure they're gonna follow behind us. It's gonna take them a while. All right, we are on our way to Philly right now. We're rolling in hella strong. This is beautiful. I'm telling you. What the hell, yo? Bro, Mans doesn't even know where to record, bro. I don't even know. Mans doesn't even know where to record. Yo, Home Depot's never been this lit. Fucking up. Bro, I can't even see it. I'm not even mad about that. Yo, he can't even see the headlights, bro. Yes, sir. Smell that. Watch out, watch out, watch out, one more. Yo, you can't see. Oh my God.
This is crazy.
I know Philly gets lit, but the amount of people you brought here.
Fuck it up! Fuck it up, boy!
Oh my God. This is crazy. Cops! Cops, we out, we out, we out, we out, we out. He caught it. I want to see somebody from PA do that. That's New York right there. Take a good look.
Yo, how the fuck you spell his IG?
H-I. Yo, that's New York, bro. That's take notes. Bro, we are getting crazy. This is the third spot. Hella packed again. This is New York. Let's go. What? Yo, that's New York. Okay. Okay. No, 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 no. We can't do New York like that.
Hey, yo,
One more time. Back up. Yo, it's so clean, bro. Yo, that is clean, bro. That is clean. Bro. Bro, New York, bro, New York. That's what I'm saying. New York, bro. New York. New York again, bro. Oh! Let's go. My.
Shit.
My God.
He almost fucking.
Yo, bro. And just like that, the cops are here again. We're going to the 4th spot. Oh my God, look how beautiful this car looks. We're going to the 4th spot, New York, bro. Yo, New York, I never been so proud. That's all I have to say. Okay, Philly. I think they were waiting.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! Don't get smacked!
That shit gone!
Man's is in the trunk, bro. Well, just like that, cops are here. Oh my God, they smoked this crap out. Just like that, cops are here, so I'm gonna have to conclude this YouTube video, guys. It was a great trip to Philadelphia. I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh my God. Yo, this is perfect. Freaking Mopar or no car. That's all I gotta say. This is definitely a successful night in my opinion.